Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I will show you how to produce body cream and fortify it with a natural skin lightening element called Glutathione. But before then, let's go through some safety precautions you will take as you do this production. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's go through the list of chemicals required for production of skin lightening cream. These are stearic acid, cruda wax, cetyl alcohol, pure and natural honey, borax, and petroleum jelly. Others are paraffin oil, glycerin, vitamin E, color, perfume, sodium benzoate, and distilled water. And the skin lightening element we're going to be using here is glutathione. Now let's take a few minutes to understand the nature and basic biochemistry of glutathione, which is the active ingredient in this formulation. Glutathione is an antioxidant naturally found in the human cells. It neutralizes free radicals, boosts the immune system, and detoxifies the body. It can also cause skin lightening by converting melanin to a lighter color and deactivating the enzyme tyrosinase, which helps produce the pigment. This organic compound diminishes scars and blotches, thereby lightening the overall skin color. The discovery of glutathione has made it a natural valuable skin lightening ingredient used in many skin lightening products. The use of glutathione in body cream and lotion has widely replaced the bleaching ingredient used in our body creams and lotion, which has constituted a host of danger, including chemical burns and mercury poisoning, for decades before the discovery of glutathione. Glutathione, by virtue of its position as a constituent of the human cell, has almost no risk or side effect when used on the skin. Apart from the fact that glutathione can cause skin lightening, glutathione has another great skin benefit, that is anti-aging. The most common cause of skin aging is photoaging. Photoaging is caused by repeated exposure to UV light from the sun. UV rays produce a substance called free radicals which damage our skin cells and cause early aging. But the good news is that glutathione is an antioxidant which will protect your skin from free radicals. You can get glutathione caplet or capsule from pharmaceutical shops or from supplement containing glutathione as active ingredient. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 1000 grams of skin lightening cream. Stearic acid 100 grams, cruda wax 75 grams, cetyl alcohol 50 grams, pure honey 3 tablespoons, borax 50 grams, petroleum jelly 50 grams, paraffin oil 50 ml, glycerin 30 ml, vitamin E 50 ml, color a teaspoon, perfume 40 ml, sodium benzoate a teaspoon, distilled water 50 ml, and glutathione a tablespoon. Now let me show you these materials one by one and then we go into the mixing properly. This is stearic acid, this is cruda wax, this is cetyl alcohol, and this is pure and natural honey. This is borax, petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, glycerin, here's vitamin E, and this is the color we're going to use. This is perfume, this is our preservative sodium benzoate, this is distilled water, and this is our source of glutathione, cell-givity supplement. Now let's go into the mixing of the chemicals properly. Step 1. Boil about 4 liters of water and dissolve the borax in it. Stir the solution properly and keep aside. Step 2. Now put a pot on fire and allow it to dry off any water in it. Add the following to the pot: Cruda wax, stearic acid, and cetyl alcohol. Now allow the pot content to melt completely. You can speed up the melting process by stirring. Also add the following to the pot content: petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, glycerin, and vitamin E. Now put off the fire and bring the pot down from the fire. Step 3. Now bring the borax solution you prepared in step 1 and add sodium benzoate to it and stir. Now you can add the borax solution to the pot content in step 2. Stir it and allow it to cool down for about 1.5 hours. Now as the pot content cools down, it solidifies. As you can see, the product looks so creamy. I seem to like this immaculate white color. I don't think I will use any color in this formulation anymore. If you want to use any color in your cream, go for appealing colors like pink. So now we're going to add perfume and honey to it. Just like I said earlier, I seems to like this immaculate white color, hence I will not be using color in this formulation anymore. Just like I said, if you want to use color, go for colors that are appealing, like pink. So stir it properly in order to have a homogeneous cream. Now you can add your honey. Now some people will call me to ask me, why is my honey watery? The honey used here is pure and natural, but before using it we added distilled water to it. It was sieved in order to remove honeycomb and unwanted particles in the honey. This is the reason why the honey is watery. Now fetch about 200 grams of the cream and add glutathione, a tablespoon, to it. First, dissolve the glutathione in small amount of distilled water and add it to the cream. Stir properly for the elements to go round. Now here we have our body cream fortified with glutathione, a natural ingredient ideal for the skin. Please note that the other part of the cream that does not contain glutathione ingredient can also be used on the skin, just as a moisturizer, a normal body cream. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your skin lightening cream is ready for use. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. you can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.